Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today we are comparing two popular portable dryers, the BLACK+DECKER BCED15 and the Elevon 800W. If you're living in a small apartment or an RV, finding the right dryer can be a challenge. Let's dive into the details of these two models to see which one suits your needs best. We'll look at their capacities, prices, and unique features to help you decide. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED15 offers a compact 1.5 cubic feet, which is suitable for small loads of laundry. In contrast, the Elevon 800W boasts a significantly larger capacity of 2.6 cubic feet, allowing you to dry more clothes in a single cycle. This makes the Elevon a better choice for those who need to handle larger laundry loads without compromising on space. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The BLACK+DECKER BCED15 is priced at $293, making it the more expensive option. On the other hand, the Elevon 800W is more budget-friendly at $222. For those looking to save money while still getting a reliable dryer, the Elevon presents a more attractive option without sacrificing capacity. The BLACK+DECKER BCED15 features advanced sensor dry technology, which automatically detects moisture levels and adjusts drying time accordingly, protecting your clothes from over-drying. In contrast, the Elevon 800W relies on timed drying modes, which may require more attention to avoid under- or over-drying. If you value automated features, the BLACK+DECKER might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED15 and the Elevon 800W portable dryer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize advanced features and a compact design, the BLACK+DECKER might be for you. However, if you need more capacity and a lower price, the Elevon is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like